Next trick we're going to do today is called Eli hops. It's a cool trick. Again, it takes a little bit of practice. It's not as complicated as some of the string tricks we were just doing, but it's worth doing because it helps get you consecutive hitting the string, and it's cool looking. When you get on stage and do this, people really like this move. I'm actually going to kneel on the ground because I need a little more room for the ceiling here. Let me show you what it looks like. Eli hops is this. You land it onto the string, you shoot the yo-yo up, and it catches it back on the string like so. You want to try and touch your hands together so that you get the maximum amount of height, like so. It's a cool trick. It launches the yo-yo all the way up into the string, and you just basically catch it again. So start with the trapeze. You bring your hands together, and just like the mount we were working on before, you pull them apart really fast. And this is what launches the yo-yo up into the air. So start from a trapeze. Now watch as I pull my hands apart, it launches the yo-yo up, goes all the way up into the air. Let me show you again this goes all the way up, and then you just basically pull your throw hand backwards. It kind of pulls the yo-yo back down to the earth and back towards the string. If you keep your hands straight, keep the yo-yo string straight lined up with it, as you pull back that hand, the yo-yo should come pretty straight forward. Now you'll notice even I'm missing this a few times. It's a hard trick. It's one that takes a lot of practice to get right, but it's definitely worth it. And if you pull your string back like that, you're definitely more likely to hit it. The closer you bring the yo-yo to your finger again too is going to help. If you're trying to catch it all the way over there, you might not catch it every time. So the closer you can bring that yo-yo to your finger, you're going to be hitting it more often. If you can do it 3 times in a row, that is the competition trick Eli hops. Catch it, return to your hand, and you've done the trick. So practice that, watch the video, and good luck.